Did you know that some birds are more dangerous than you might think? Imagine a world where the creatures we see every day turn threatening. This isn't just a movie plot, it's a reality. Today, we'll explore the surprisingly aggressive nature of certain birds. You may think of birds as harmless creatures, but some can pose a serious threat. Let's delve into this fascinating yet alarming topic together. First up is the cassowary. This giant bird can reach speeds of 31 miles per hour. With a dagger-like nail on its toe, it can deliver deadly kicks. While attacks on humans are rare, they do happen, often when food is involved. Next is the ostrich, the largest living bird. Standing nearly 9 feet tall, an ostrich can run faster than most predators. If threatened, it can kick with enough force to kill a lion. Most attacks are provoked, yet caution around them is essential. Then we have the emu. These stout birds can dash off quickly and also kick fiercely. While human fatalities are rare, there are many reports of injuries worldwide, particularly at farms and zoos. Now, let's talk about the lammergeier or bearded vulture. These birds could drop bones from great heights to access marrow inside. Although they rarely attack humans, legendary tales suggest otherwise, like the story of Aeschylus, who was fatally struck by a tortoise. Next is the great horned owl. These powerful predators have a strong grip and can attack if they feel threatened, particularly when defending their young. Reports of aggressive encounters are increasing, especially in parks. Barred owls, smaller than their horned cousins, have also been known to attack hikers. They can become aggressive in areas where their habitat overlaps with human activities. Interestingly, the way birds eliminate waste is quite unique. Unlike mammals, birds excrete urine and feces simultaneously, resulting in the white substance commonly seen on cars. In conclusion, it's crucial to understand the potential dangers posed by certain birds. While most are harmless, some can become aggressive under threat. Always exercise caution around wildlife, especially those that have a reputation for being fierce. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay informed. What bird are you most intrigued by? Let us know in the comments.